Hi, my name is Angel from Wolfeye.de, and this is the second part in which I want to talk about what is the best way to track the performance of each of your employees in your company. And in the first part, I already mentioned that the best way is that you see the live screen of each of your employees as if you were sitting in front of it. And you can do that very good, very well with Wolfeye Remote Screen software that you can download on our website, wolfeye.de. You see it here, the link, wolfeye.de. So that's what I already mentioned. And the second part is if you decide that you want to install Wolfeye Remote Screen on each of your employees' computers so that you can see the live computer screen and track their performance, this is what you must do. Go to our website, wolfeye.de, to the For Businesses section, where you see how you will see for each of your employees the live screen as if you were sitting in front of it, but for each of them at the same time, so that you exactly see what they spend their time on. If you want to do that, the first thing you must do, please contact us so that we will schedule a Google Meet session. Why is that? In that Google Meet session, we want to show you, instruct you how to install correctly Wolfeye Remote Screen. Because the next step will be this step where you install Wolfeye Remote Screen on each of your employees' computers by yourself. Of course, if you wish, we can also do that for you. We can do it in a AnyDesk or TeamViewer session. We install it for you, but um, it would be better and best if you install it by yourself. And that's why we first do a Google Meet session where we instruct you how to do it. You share your screen and we guide you through the installation. And next, the second would be you install it for each of your employees' computer. And then while you install it, we set up everything for you. We set up the dashboard for you so that you will see for all the employees the computers like this. Yeah. And we will also set a password protection in front of this dashboard so that everything is protected with a password that you will set by yourself. So we will send you a link, you set your password and everything will be password protected. So that's basically it. So the first step for you is contact us so that we can schedule a Google Meet session to make this installation. You could also schedule the session by yourself. You can contact us with WhatsApp if you want, or with email, or you go to the contact page here, contact page, scroll down, and here you can select the date and time that you would like to do this support session. That you can do also. Um, and that's basically it. In the next part, I want to show you how to install Wolfeye Remote Screen on a system. So basically, the things we show you and the thing we will guide you in this Google Meet session is what I will do in the next part of this small video series.